Hey everyone, imagine being part of a discussion that could potentially reshape the future of a nation. Today, I'm diving into an extraordinary event happening at the UN Palais des Nations in Geneva. Fadzai Mahere, a prominent Zimbabwean lawyer, is about to speak on the crucial topic of promoting the rule of law under President Mnangagwa, strengthening the agenda for freedom. Mahere is no stranger to advocating for justice and democracy. Her work in Zimbabwe has been nothing short of revolutionary. She's taken on high-profile cases and has been a vocal critic of the current administration. Today, she's stepping onto an even larger stage, aiming to bring global attention to the rule of law in Zimbabwe. But she's not alone. Sharing the stage with her is Judge Stefan Waspi. Now, if you think the name sounds familiar, you're right. Judge Waspi has a remarkable career, having prosecuted leading cases at the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, or ICTY. Remember the trial of Slobodan Milosevic? That was him! He also played a pivotal role in the Prosecutor v. Gotovina case. Currently, he serves as a judge at the Special Criminal Court in the Central African Republic. So why is this discussion so important? The rule of law is the foundation for any fair and just society. It ensures that everyone, including government officials, is accountable under the law. In Zimbabwe, promoting the rule of law is a pressing issue. President Mnangagwa's administration has faced criticism for human rights abuses and undemocratic practices. Mahere's goal today is to highlight these issues and propose ways to strengthen legal frameworks, ensuring freedom and fairness for all Zimbabweans. Judge Waspi's experience in international law adds immense value to this discussion. His insights from prosecuting war crimes and serving in the Special Criminal Court provide a unique perspective. This is a chance to learn how international legal principles can be applied to national contexts, potentially aiding Zimbabwe in its quest for justice. For law students, this is a golden opportunity to see the interplay between national and international law. It's a real-world example of how legal principles are not just theoretical, but have tangible impacts on people's lives. You get to witness how advocates like Mahere and legal minds like Waspi work tirelessly to promote justice. As future legal professionals, it's crucial to understand the importance of the rule of law and the efforts required to uphold it. This discussion at the UN is more than just a talk, it's a call to action for all of us. It's about using our skills, knowledge, and positions to make a difference. So stay tuned and keep an eye on what unfolds at the UN Palais des Nations. This is more than just a discussion. It's a beacon of hope for a fairer, more just world. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into crucial legal discussions. See you next time.